And then let's go ahead and take a look at the unboxing. A lot of people love seeing the unboxing of these kind of products. So let's go ahead and check that out right now. All right, folks, that brings us to the unboxing portion of the video. Everybody likes to see unboxing. All right, so brand Arenti, Arenti, I believe is the pronunciation. Intelligence for your smart life, it says on the box. Inside is an Arenti decal sticker. Protected by Arenti, 24/7 security camera. Very nice. It's good to put those up anywhere. Arenti, activate your warranty, and the quick guide. All right. Here's the USB. Looks to be, I'm gonna guess USB-C. No? Not. Okay. That's micro USB. Don't quote me on the name. At this portion of the video, I don't know as much about the product, so I'm just kind of ad-libbing it, looking at the product, and if I get something wrong, hopefully I will correct it in the rest of the video. You don't know much about a product when you unbox it, obviously. You need to quit hitting the camera. So there's the product up close. Warranty information. Outdoor camera, 5-volt DC, 1 amp. Nice. Here's a mount for it. Take that out. As well as, there we go. Guess that just goes on here. Try to mount her outside for you and get some use stuff, which you've probably already seen. Easy enough to set up, right? This sets up like that. A couple screws. I probably won't permanently mount it for the test, and USB power. All right. How cool is that? That goes right in the back. That's USB. All right. So there you go. There's the unboxing. We're gonna go ahead and check it out. Let me display everything here for you to see. There's come with screws and everything. You don't need to see that. And what a nice little product this is, huh? I'm sure you're going to want to pick one of these up. Okay. Display everything for you. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful, informative, educational. And let's see, get it all in frame. Items that come with it. Boom, boom, boom. All right, thanks for watching, and see it with me.